Hey, what's up everybody? Taylor with KC here, and in this quick tech tip video, we're going to be showing you how to change out the bezel on your Flexera 4 lights. We've got a whole bunch of different colored bezels available. They come standard with the gold bezel, but we have the red one here that we're going to swap on, but we also have blue and black bezels available. It's a super quick job. All you have to do is grab a 4mm Allen head and pull out these 4 bolts, take the outer faceplate off, take the old colored bezel out, put the new one in, and put the faceplate back on, and it's as simple as that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cracked into this real quick. All you gotta do, like I mentioned, is just use your 4mm just to pop all of these off. Set the bolts aside somewhere where you're not gonna lose them, because you are gonna reuse these 4 Allen head bolts. So once we get that out, just plop the old bezel out, just like that. And we're gonna grab the new one, bust open into that. And you'll see that there's 2 different sides to the bezel here. There's one side that's 3D raised, and there's one side that's completely flat. You're gonna want the flat side to go against the polycarbonate lens of the light. So you'll put that flat side completely down, then you'll grab your trim plate, put that right over the top, and then you're gonna put all 4 bolts right back into place. And after you do that, that's pretty much it. You've completed the install of the new bezels on your Flexera 4 lights. Thank you all for tuning in, and we hope you found this tech tip video useful. Remember to adventure further.